You the story that we're tracking at the moment. Farooq Ahmad Dar alias Bitta Karate is in the capital. He touched down at the Delhi airport on way to NIA headquarters. Bitta Karate, who is member of JKLF, was caught on India Today sting operation, accepting the fact that funds are coming from across the border, used by Pak agents like him to spread the unrest in the valley. He says it's done for our corporate interest. He says that he can summon cadres at a moment's notice if money is given to him, and these cadres can then talk schools, attack government buildings as well. The real face of Pak agents exposed by India Today sting operation. They've been questioned by NIA for the past 4 times in Srinagar, but now they're not on their home turf, and their game is up. First, let's play out that sequence of Ashutosh confronting Bitta Karate at Delhi airport.
The merciless killer of Valley, Bitta Karate, has been called to Delhi to join NIA Pro. You are here finally to join NIA Pro.
Are you in Delhi? So are you going to be part of NIA? Yeah. So
do you accept that you take funds from Pakistan to disturb Valley?
I told you earlier, I will tell you again.
Okay. In the video, you admitted that you killed more than 20 people in the Valley, Bitta Karate.
Are you scared about it? Today, likely to be arrested. NIA likely to be arrested to you.
Farooq Ahmad Dar, you have been called by NIA. NIA.
Farooq, likely to arrest. NIA.
You admit that you killed people in Valley?
No.
2 counts on which he has been exposed. First, the India Today sting operation about the money coming from Pakistan to fuel unrest in the valley that we've talked about. The second count where India Today has dug out tapes where he has confessed to killing 20 Kashmiri Pandits. He said, I aimed at their heart and their head. Now, he's been sent to jail for that. 96 is when he was let out. A special judge at that time said prosecution showed no interest, and that's why lack of evidence. Bitta Karate was out. He joined JKLF and it was a political movement then, and since then till now all they have been doing is spreading unrest in Kashmir, using Kashmir and Kashmiris and their Kashmiri cause that they espouse to fill their own pockets. Ashutosh and Ankit joining us as well. Ankit joining us from NIA headquarters. Ashutosh is at the Delhi airport where Naeem Khan and Ghazi Baba are also expected in just a moment from now. Well, Ankit, coming to you at NIA headquarters where Bitta Karate would be coming in just a few minutes from now. Take us through your sources. What is the interrogation going to be? Will there be a joint interrogation of 3 of them? And will Gilani be summoned post that?
All right, let me just break it down and answer all of the questions one by one. Bitta Karate has landed and he is on his way. What we are being told is that in the next few minutes he's expected to come here. What he was asked by the NIA was to bring along his property documents and also his bank account details, because the NIA is now looking to establish the entire channel of money, the cash that he gets from Pakistan, from his handlers in ISI to keep this fire boiling in Kashmir. Now, as far as the other 2 are concerned, they will be going through the same process. At the 7th floor of this building where I'm standing is the NIA headquarters, and there a team of senior investigators, those who have already confronted him, along with new investigators, will be first taking a statement from Bitta Karate and then will be confronting him with a questionnaire. Post that, of course, all the other accused, Ghazi Baba and Naeem Khan, they would also be questioned in the same fashion. After that, all 3 of them would be there'll be a joint interrogation and they will be confronted with facts from cross-examining their statements. They will also be asked questions about Syed Ali Shah Gilani and Mirwaz Farooq, top faces of Hurriyat in the Kashmir Valley, all these 3 have admitted on camera that they also get money from Pakistan, from ISI, to fuel the insurgency and also to fuel the unrest in the Kashmir Valley.
Yes, absolutely, Ankit. Be with me. Ashutosh still joining us from Delhi airport where Naeem Khan and Ghazi Baba are expected to land any time now. But first up, let's play out that sting operation from India Today that's exposed all of them, setting the news agenda for the nation.
ये आप जो 70 करोड़ बता रहे हैं, ये तो अपना बता रहे हैं ना। जो आप लेंगे अनरेस्ट के लिए, ये तो अपना बता रहे हैं ना। चलो ठीक है,
हम 6 मिनट से ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं। आप बिजनेस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखते हैं।
हाँ, उसका इंटरेस्ट है कि कश्मीर हिंदुस्तान में रहे, ठीक है। हमारे कॉर्पोरेट का सिर्फ ये इंटरेस्ट है कि जो सरकार है मौजूदा कश्मीर की, वो हमारे कॉर्पोरेट के माफिक नहीं है।
जी जी,
ठीक है, उसको हटाना चाहता है।
उसी तरह पर कर सकते हैं, 2016 में जो होगा उसी तरह पर कर सकते हैं। हमारे पास यूथ है बहुत।
नहीं तो उसमें क्या क्या चीजें हो सकती है ना, कोई
आपका अपना कार्ड है,
हाँ अपना कार्ड जो यूथ है यहाँ का,
इट्स कन्फाइंड टू श्रीनगर ओनली या बाकी जगह
गाँव में भी।
नहीं, उसमें ना अलग अलग 3-4 चीजें हमें बता दीजिए कि क्या क्या हो सकती हैं अनरेस्ट के लिए।
लोगों को बाहर आएंगे, सारा ठप हो जाएगा, सब कुछ ठप हो जाएगा, कारोबार वगैरह, प्रोटेस्ट होगा।
बहुत सॉलिड वाला प्रोटेस्ट होगा,
सारे वाला
कार्डर है आपका कश्मीर में
पूरा डिस्ट्रिक्ट में।
ठीक है, कितने दिन तक?
ये फिर आप पर डिपेंड है ना। 70% लोग ऐसे हैं जो दिन को कमाते हैं, शाम को खाते हैं, उनको भी चलाने की जरूरत है। अभी वो लेकर लगा था 7 करोड़ 70 करोड़।
ये आप जो 70 करोड़ बता रहे हैं, ये तो अपना बता रहे हैं ना, जो आप लेंगे अनरेस्ट के लिए, ये तो अपना बता रहे हैं ना।
तो हम 6 मिनट से ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं
70 करोड़ में।
ये बताइए 2016 का जो अनरेस्ट रहा है, पूरे 5-6 महीने जो है आपका कार्डर भी उस अनरेस्ट में रहा है।
हाँ।
आप लोग शामिल
सब कर रहा है।
तो जब आप शामिल थे तो उस समय आपका कितना खर्चा आया पूरे अपने उस कार्डर को मेंटेन करने के लिए?
हर एक पार्टी को मिलता है वहाँ से।
कहाँ से?
वहाँ से। अब आप नाम नहीं दूंगा ना,
पाकिस्तान से जी,
हर एक को मिलता है। और वो भी चाहते हैं यहाँ,
कहाँ पाकिस्तान से?
हर एक को मिलता है। वो भी नहीं चाहते हैं कि यहाँ थोड़ा मोड़े हालात ऐसा में।
तो आप लोगों को भी वहीं से आया था?
हर एक को आता है
पाकिस्तान से
सब, जिलानी को जितने भी छोटे बड़े को आता है।
नहीं, जो
सबको पता है, ये एजेंसी को भी पता है।
नहीं, पाकिस्तान से जो फंडिंग होती है वो सिर्फ गिलानी के पास आती है, वो आप लोगों को पैसा देता है?
हर एक को आता है। अब गिलानी के
पास सबका अलग अलग आता है?
नहीं, गिलानी के पास जो है उनको आता है अलग अलग सब। कभी कभार गिलानी के पास आता है, कभी कभार उनके पास आता है।
किसके पास? यासीन मलिक?
हाँ नहीं, उसका अलग आता है यासीन मलिक।
आपके पास अलग आता है पाकिस्तान से या इन लोगों से लेते?
नहीं, हमें अलग आता है। मुझे कुछ यहाँ SP ने उठाया
आपको?
हाँ, पहले अरेस्ट से पहले पैसे आपको आता है, कहाँ से आता है?
आपसे पूछे?
मैंने कहा कोई आता है, वापस में आकर छोड़ के चला जाता है। प्रूफ तो कुछ नहीं था।
हमारी सोसाइटी वाले जो बिजनेस कायकून हैं उनके पास जाता था मैं, तो उससे मदद मांगने के लिए मदद करो, उनके लिए मदद को वो देते थे। कोई कुछ पैसा तो मैं उनमें बांट देता। कितने देर तक? बार बार तो मैं दे नहीं सकता ना, कितनों को दूंगा? हाँ, कोई रुपया 10,000 देगा, कोई 2,000 देगा, रुपया 1,000 देगा, कोई 500 देगा, तो वो मैं बांटता था उनमें। तो कितने देर तक? 8 महीने तो नहीं बांट सकता ना, कितनों लोगों को बांटेंगे हम? तो इसी वजह से ये थोड़ा ये जो स्ट्राइक चलती है या हड़ताल यहाँ होती है, ये कमजोर पड़ जाती है बाद में। तो अगर वो भरपाई उसकी हो जाएगी ना, तो फिर तो हालात तो कंटिन्यू खराब रहेंगे। खराब क्या, स्ट्राइक कंटिन्यू रहेंगे। और ये जल्द से जुलूस, वो दुकानदार नहीं दुकान खोल सकता, ट्रांसपोर्ट नहीं चलेगा, कोई नहीं निकलेगा बाद में। फिर
पूरे कश्मीर में अनरेस्ट हो जाएगा।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
They've written the script of terror in Kashmir, spreading the Pak propaganda. And here's Bitta Karate, Farooq Ahmed Dar. He was confronted after a sting operation by a team of reporters, Ashutosh, Anandya and Kamaljeet. And that time in Srinagar, when he was called for questioning in NIA, he had said that he's been falsely implicated. But now in the capital, he knows that his game is up. The only word he says when he was confronted by my colleague Ashutosh is one word: okay. But Ashutosh, all is not okay. With the Bitta Karate, Farooq Ahmed Dar, irrefutable evidence with the NIA, and that's the reason after the India Today sting operation, he's been called to the capital. It's not his home turf. It is now the NIA domain. And his lies will not continue, and it's evident from the fact that he ducked our questions this morning.
Well, Devina, before responding to your question, let me get your big story at this moment as we are tracking Operation Hurriyat in Delhi. The Baba Ghazi, the another JKLF leader who was caught on in India Today's camera and exposed the Pakistan funding, he has arrived Delhi. So Baba Ghazi, the another leader, has arrived the capital and en route to the NIA headquarters to join the probe. Remember, it was Baba Ghazi and Bitta Karate were summoned by the National Investigative Agency taking cognizance of India Today expose the Operation Hurriyat. So another leader has arrived Delhi at Terminal 3 airport and is en route to NIA headquarters to join probe. As far as your second question is concerned, Devina, indeed, that was impacted by India Today. And if you remember, Naeem Khan, who was suspended, we asked the questions to Naeem Khan. He was rattled, he was angered, and he tried to confront us. He was, suspended by Hurriyat leaders, by Gilani faction. So that was the biggest impact. As far as Bitta Karate is concerned, if you see the decade-old video, this man admitting how mercilessly he killed people, but the same man, when we confronted in Srinagar, that do you accept the fact that you admitted on camera how mercilessly you killed Kashmiri innocent Pandit? He had no question. Rather, he questioned the, that media is against him, media is doing stories against him. This morning, when he has arrived to the capital to join an NIA probe, I again asked the same question. So now, since you had accepted the fact that on camera you admitted you killed people, do you stand by what you had said? This man is completely scared, feared and nervous, Devina, and had no answer to respond.
Absolutely, Ashutosh, and he should be, because this is end of the this is beginning of the end for Hurriyat as well. And as we getting the news which Ashutosh has just pointed out, Ghazi Javed Baba arriving in the capital. He's arrived at the Delhi airport. He will be the second one to be taken to NIA headquarters for questioning, where he would be asked about the money trail emerging from Pakistan. According to his own admission, he has said that how he distributed money to all the cadres. He said that the strikes would continue, and he said that the strikes would not abate till the time there is a financial compensation as well. And this is the second separatist leader, the Pak agent, who will be grilled by NIA. Let me go across to Ashutosh as well. Ashutosh, we're trying to get reaction from Ghazi Baba as well. But here's the point. When will Gilani be called in for questioning? Is he expected in few days that he will also be called to Delhi?
Well, indeed, Devina, that's completely dependent on the NIA, the National Investigative Agency, because they have the money trail. They have, because if you remember, right after India Today exposes, they took cognizance, and the NIA team that was, that joined the probe in Srinagar, they summoned the Bitta Karate, Naeem Khan and Ghazi Baba. These three leaders have already been questioned in Srinagar by National Investigative Agency. Also, the team had visited number of places where the schools were burned, where the incidents took place. So that was a series of incidents that took place in Srinagar. So NIA was collecting evidences to relate as far as India Today expose is concerned. So after accumulating all the series of incidents and the evidences, so certainly the NIA will now focus the probe about the money trail and the link with the Hurriyat leader and SAS Gilani faction. So once that link is established between these leaders, because if you remember, these leaders on camera have admitted they're not working, they're working at behest of
Ghazi Javed Baba landing in Delhi. Ghazi Javed Baba landing in Delhi will be taken to NIA headquarters. The next in line is Naeem Khan, suspended from the Hurriyat Conference Gilani faction as well, who will be going to NIA headquarters. My colleague Ankit tracking the story from there, Ashutosh's Delhi airport. We'll also get you right now the biggest voices from the government who've lauded India Today's investigation. Take a listen.
ये आपको भी जानकारी होगी कि इस समय NIA पूरे मामले की जांच कर रही है. प्रिलिमिनरी इंक्वायरी इस समय चल रही है. कॉग्निजेंस लिया है, बहुत ही गंभीरतापूर्वक इसका कॉग्निजेंस लिया है हम लोगों ने. मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूं, जो जस्टिफाइड होगा वह सब करेंगे.
Something like this coming from a channel as widely seen as yours also creates a public opinion for a decisive action, as I may.
No, but has that decisive action started?
Certainly, it's already set in.
What does that decisive action mean?
I think the Raksha Mantri made a very elaborate statement on this yesterday itself in Srinagar, and I don't need to add to that.
No, but will your coalition partner, the PDP, permit the government to take decisive action against the Hurriyat? Because PDP is more for engagement with the Hurriyat.
PDP is already on board, and whatever is happening with the knowledge.